Here are the coolest gadgets for your kitchen. Transform it today. Gadget Food Chopper. Say goodbye to tedious chopping with the Gadget Food Chopper. This manual hand chopper features razor-sharp stainless steel blades that make slicing, dicing, and mincing effortless. Whether you're prepping onions, garlic, nuts, or veggies, just press and chop. No cutting skills required. The dishwasher-safe design ensures easy cleanup, while the compact size makes storage a breeze. Fast, safe, and mess-free, your kitchen needs this. Benchtop Angle Set. Knife Sharpener. Keep your knives razor sharp with the Benchtop Angle Set. Knife Sharpener. Featuring tri-abrasive rods, this sharpener offers coarse, fine, and ceramic honing for a complete sharpening solution. With 5 adjustable angles, 15 degrees to 25 degrees, it's perfect for kitchen knives, pocket blades, and serrated edges. The compact storage case keeps everything organized, making it a must-have for precision sharpening. Sharp knives, effortless cutting, amazing, right? Air Hood. Meet the world's first portable kitchen air cleaner, the Air Hood. This sleek gadget removes cooking fumes, grease, and odors using dual filter technology, keeping your kitchen fresh and clean. With 3 speed settings, it adapts to your cooking needs, while the compact, stylish design fits any space. Whether you're in a small apartment, RV, or open kitchen, Air Hood ensures clean air, hassle-free cooking. Smart ventilation anywhere you need it. Joseph Nest 9. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets. The Joseph Nest 9 is a space-saving dream, stacking 9 essential kitchen tools into one compact set. From mixing bowls to measuring cups, everything fits together like a puzzle, making storage effortless. The non-slip bases and easy pour spouts ensure mess-free prep, while the sleek design adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're baking, cooking, or just measuring ingredients, this set has your back. Smart, stylish, and super practical. This is a must-have for every kitchen. Breakfast Station Nostalgia. Meet the ultimate breakfast powerhouse, the Nostalgia 3-in-1. Breakfast Station. This retro beauty brews coffee, toasts bread, and cooks eggs all at once, saving you time and counter space. The non-stick griddle is perfect for pancakes and bacon, while the toaster oven crisps up your favorite pastries. And let's not forget the built-in coffee maker, because mornings need caffeine, whether you're feeding the family or just treating yourself. This station makes breakfast fast, fun, and delicious. Classic vibes, modern convenience, superb! Hello Egg Cooking just got smarter with Hello Egg, your AI-powered kitchen assistant. This voice-controlled gadget helps you whip up meals with step-by-step video tutorials, real-time cooking tips, and even human support when you need extra guidance. It plans meals, orders groceries, and keeps you entertained with music and news. Plus, its adorable egg-shaped design makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Hello Egg is like having a personal chef at your fingertips. Smart cooking simplified. Vivo Home Snow Cone. Ice Crusher Machine. Turn your kitchen into a snow cone paradise with the Vivo Home Ice Crusher Machine. This powerful gadget shaves 143 pounds of ice per hour, giving you fluffy, snow-like ice for cocktails, desserts, and summer treats. Built with food-grade stainless steel, it's durable, rust-proof, and easy to clean. The heavy-duty base keeps it stable, while the water-resistant switch ensures safe operation. Whether you're hosting a party or just craving a refreshing treat, this machine delivers ice-cold perfection in seconds. KF Console Gaming meets fried chicken. Yes, you heard that right. The KF Console is a high-performance gaming rig with a built-in chicken warmer. Powered by Intel, this VR-ready console runs games at 4K resolution with 240 frames per second, all while keeping your crispy KFC hot and ready. Designed by Cooler Master, it features a custom cooling system that redirects heat to the chicken chamber, ensuring your meal stays warm while you game. Next-gen gaming with a side of crispy goodness. What's not to love? Oil dispenser bottle. Say goodbye to messy pours with the oil dispenser bottle. This smart kitchen essential features an automatic flip cap, opening when tilted and closing when upright for effortless, one-handed use. Made from lead-free glass, it's safe, durable, and easy to clean. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, and more. It even has a non-drip spout to keep your counters spotless. Whether you're cooking, dressing salads, or grilling, this bottle makes precision pouring a breeze. Trivet pan lid. Meet the ultimate multitasker for your kitchen, the Trivet pan lid holder and modular trivet. This 4-in-1 kitchen tool acts as a lid holder, serving stand, expandable trivet, and display stand. No more messy countertops. Just flip it open to hold hot lids, keeping drips off your surfaces. Need a trivet? Expand it to hold multiple dishes at once, protecting your table from heat. Sleek, sturdy, and heat-resistant up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. This gadget is a game changer for cooking and entertaining. Mezzaluna Salad Chopper. Say hello to effortless chopping with the Mezzaluna Salad Chopper. Designed for quick, rocking motion, this double-bladed tool makes slicing herbs, veggies, and even pizza a breeze. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort, while the razor-sharp stainless steel blades deliver precise, uniform cuts. Whether you're prepping a fresh salad or mincing garlic, this chopper saves time and effort. Just rock and chop. Fast, efficient, and built to last, your kitchen needs this. Garlic Press Rocker. Forget struggling with traditional garlic presses. The Garlic Press Rocker is here to simplify your prep. With a gentle rocking motion, this stainless steel tool crushes garlic effortlessly, leaving you with perfectly minced cloves in seconds. The open design makes cleaning a breeze. Just rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. Plus, it's compact, durable, and easy to store. Whether you're whipping up pasta sauce or seasoning a dish, this gadget ensures fresh garlic flavor with zero hassle. Golden Goose Scrambled Egg Maker. Ever wished you could scramble an egg inside the shell? The Golden Goose Scrambled Egg Maker does just that. Using centrifugal force, this gadget blends the yolk and whites without cracking the shell, giving you perfectly mixed eggs for boiling, frying, or deviling. No mess, no extra bowls, just pure egg magic. Whether you're impressing guests or just having fun in the kitchen, this tool makes breakfast prep a whole new experience. Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Upgrade your seasoning game with this electric salt and pepper grinder set. Featuring adjustable coarseness, these grinders let you customize your spice level with a simple twist. The gravity sensor means one-handed operation. Just tilt and grind. Plus, the LED light ensures precision seasoning, even in dim lighting. Whether you're cooking up a feast or just adding a pinch of flavor, these grinders make seasoning effortless and stylish. Dash Electric Butter Sprayer. Say goodbye to uneven butter spreads. The Dash Electric Butter Sprayer melts and sprays real butter with precision, coating toast, popcorn, or pans perfectly. Just load a stick, charge, and spray. No knives, no mess. The targeted nozzle ensures even distribution, while the compact design makes storage a breeze. Whether you're prepping breakfast or adding a buttery touch to dinner, this gadget is a game changer for butter lovers. Thanks for watching this video.